Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paramita Muhita and with my partner Halia. Today she will do presentation about hairstyle. So please Halia.
Hairstyle. Hairstyle is a collection of data later stripped in the form of paper, files, photographs, files, microfiles, sound recording, image map, cards of other recordings, image map, cards of other documents of every kind and natural. Made of received by government agencies, private or individual who have usability arranged a specific system to facilitate the search and retrieval all quickly and accurately. B. The criteria and script. 1. Is a collection slip. 2. Saved by a particular system. 3. Has the following as usability. 4. When needed quickly and accurately formed. C. The type skip recorded. Best function. A. Dynamic archive. Archive is used directly in activities of the creator of the archive and stored for a certain period. Or ACT number 43 of 2000 on archive. B. Static archive. 6. Based on the set and shape according form or shape. The archive consists of various schemes, such as letter or action correspondence, which in this case is divided as any piece of paper that contains information or information that is usable for the information of organizational life. Developed on the nature of important aspects. The function records active records are employed directly in the planning, implementation, operation of national life. This function has two claims, namely the dynamic function is active still has used, and dynamic inactive. The active which are not used directly for the planning, organization national life. This function consists of a permanent function and duty. Example, a high school diploma for students. Okay, thanks for attention. Dari itu minta Bapak minta meminta.
Yeah, thank you Halia. I guess it's enough. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.